Hi, I'm Anna Harris with FitEatRest.com, and today I'm making my ABC smoothie. It's called ABC for two reasons. Number one, because of the ingredients, so it's easy to remember. And number two is because it's full of amazing vitamins. You've got all letters of the alphabet. You get vitamins B, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, lots of good stuff in it. The star of this smoothie is the beets. And you know, I've made a number of recipes recently with beets. What I do typically is I would boil some beets, and so I have lots of extras to make my salad. You can make soup like borscht. You can make this smoothie, among other things. Beets are amazing because they help you bring down your blood pressure. They help oxygenate the blood, so it's great after the workout. And they're sweet, so you don't need a lot of extra sweetness added to the smoothie. So let me tell you about the ingredients. I should really call this smoothie ABC squared because each letter is two ingredients. A is for apple and avocado. So apple is great, lots of vitamins C, vitamin B6, and it's delicious, right? Lots of fiber too. Avocado is full of amazing B vitamins. It's full of folate and really great for your fats. It adds a lot of smoothness and this really nice creamy texture to your smoothie. So A is apples and avocado. B is number one, our star, the beets. Make sure they're boiled and peeled. Well, you can also roast them, but make sure you peel. They have to be cooked for the smoothie. They cannot be raw. And then banana. It's great to use a really ripe banana because it's going to add a little bit of great texture to the smoothie. And then finally, C is for celery. Lots of water content, lots of other great vitamins, and carrots. I prep carrots so you can use leftover carrots for this recipe. Let's make it. So we're going to start with an apple. I'm going to slice and peel this apple, and then I'm going to chop it into 1/4 inch little pieces. All right, I'm gonna add a cup of chopped apples into my shake container. All right, 1 entire apple, medium-sized apple, Honeycrisp, Gala, whatever your favorite apple is, just make sure it's not too sour. All right, next step is avocado, and I'm gonna use a leftover avocado because I only need a half, and I got one. So scrape off all the good stuff. You can use half or less of the avocado depending on how creamy you like it. So this is about a 1/4 cup. And I'm gonna add it to my container. Next, so we got apples and avocado. Our A is done. Next is B, beets and banana. So I'm going to quarter my beets. You can use a larger beet or 2 smaller beets is what I have. Or you can just use one of them. They add a lot of color instantly with just a small amount, and they are packed with these amazing vitamins and minerals. So I'm going to use a fork to help me slice it so I don't get my hands dirty. Look at this beautiful color. In nature, usually the deeper the color, the more antioxidants are in it. So look for those bright blues, reds, greens, because that is nature's sign that there's a lot of good stuff in it. All right, now that that's done, I'm gonna add it in in order of A, B, and C. So it's easier for you to remember. But you don't have to do that. The beets are gonna color everything. So my tip to you is to do them, to add them last. Next up is a banana. So peel and slice, super easy. All right, so there's one more ingredient I didn't mention because it's technically not food. It's a half cup of ice. I want to add it so my smoothie has this great consistency. If you don't want to use ice and you don't have a whole banana, but you might have frozen banana, which I do a lot. I cut them up and freeze so I can use them in my smoothies and shakes. So instead of that half cup of ice, you can use a frozen banana. Pre-chop, make sure you pre-chop it before you freeze. But I'm gonna use a real banana, so then I'll use a half cup of ice later. All right, let's add that in. Okay, we're done with A's and B's, so next is a C. Celery. All you need is 1 stalk of celery. And these don't have to be chopped perfectly. All right, I'm gonna add that in. Last is carrots. All you need is a 1/4 cup of carrots, and a 1/4 cup is not a lot. 1/4 cup is this. So it's gonna fit maybe like 1 small carrot, or I'm gonna use just 3 of these. I store the carrots chopped in the water, and that's how they can last longer. That's great for when you're prepping and saving leftovers. All right, so try to slice them a little bit thinner because they're hard. All right, add the baby in. And the last thing we need is a half cup of ice. All right, my final addition to this smoothie, the ABC smoothie, is a half cup of crushed ice. So make sure you shake it so everything is packed together. We can actually close this container, this Ninja Blender smoothie I'm using, to actually blend. Let's go blend. All right, let's pop it in. Look at those beautiful colors. Look at that. That's all the vitamins you're getting. Plug it in, and we're gonna start by pulsing. So pulse a couple times. I bet little kids would love that. Now we're actually going to start and blend it for 30 seconds. All right, look at those beautiful ingredients. Can you tell what the star is? The beets, they color everything. Let's check the consistency. I'm gonna open it up and just do a quick check. Everything is blended beautifully. All right, I'm gonna try it. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna pour it in my glass. It's very thick. You can blend it a little longer if you want to have a little bit more of a juice consistency. That's delicious. You can taste the beets. You can taste the apples, the bananas. It's good. Now, the beets have a really strong taste. So if you don't like that, use a little bit less, but you can definitely taste all the ingredients. It's just really refreshing and wonderful. So thanks for joining me making this ABC smoothie. I'm Anna Harris with FitEatRest.